2021 Chevrolet Malibu is brought to you by Twins Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Chevrolet is powered by front-wheel drive, automatic transmission, turbocharged gas i4 1.5 liters 91 engine, and has 8208 miles. Drive away in style. Affordable 2021 Chevrolet Malibu. Reliability meets elegance. Test drive today. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.